Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. Okay, today topic is English to Urdu words. Let's start. First word is connection. Connection, it's mean taluk. Second word is control. Control, it's mean ikhtiyar. Third word is copper. Copper, it's mean tamba. Fourth word is force. It's mean takat. Fifth word is paste. Chipkana. Sixth word is move. Harkat karna. Seventh word is religion. Mazhab. Eighth word is cough. Khansi. Cough. Khansi. Ninth word is damage. Nuksan. Damage. Nuksan. Okay. 10th word is effect. Effect. Asar. Last word is growth. नशोनुमा. ओके गाइस, टुडे टॉपिक वाज फिनिश. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसको लाइक शेयर सबको करना ना भूलें.